Picture this: you're in a meeting, or a first date, or even better, a funeral. The room is absolutely silent, and then your stomach lets out a noise that sounds like a small dying animal trapped inside a pipe. You look down, your stomach looks up. You have never felt more betrayed in your life. But why does it do that? And more importantly, is there any way to stop it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's happening inside you when that noise goes off. And there's one fact coming up about what your intestines are actually doing when you're not eating. That made me genuinely impressed by how disgusting the human body is. In a good way, mostly. The noise is called borborygmi. Yes, that's a real word, borborygmi. It sounds like what it is, which is honestly the most on-brand thing science has ever done. It comes from the Greek word for rumbling intestines. The ancient Greeks were apparently also embarrassed in quiet rooms. Now, most people think this only happens when you're hungry, but that's only half the story. Your stomach and intestines are basically a long muscular tube, about 9 meters of it, coiled up inside you. And that tube is in constant motion, squeezing and pushing to move food, liquid, and gas along. That process is called peristalsis. And when it pushes air and liquid through the tube at the same time, okay, so far so obvious. Hungry stomach, noisy stomach. But here's where it gets genuinely weird. Your gut actually makes more noise between meals, not during them. When your stomach and intestines are empty, your body runs what scientists call the migrating motor complex. It's basically your digestive system's cleaning cycle. Every 90 minutes or so, a powerful wave of muscle contractions sweeps through your entire gut, from stomach to small intestine, pushing out any leftover debris, bacteria, and bits of food that didn't get fully digested. It's your body hoovering itself. And because there's nothing in there to muffle the sound, it's loud. So that embarrassing noise during your meeting, that's not your body being rude. That's your body being extremely clean and responsible. You're welcome. Now, there's a hormone called ghrelin, your hunger hormone. When your stomach empties out, cells in the stomach lining release ghrelin into your bloodstream. It travels up to your brain, hits the hypothalamus, and triggers the sensation of hunger. So technically, your hunger feelings come from your stomach. But your brain is the one that makes you miserable about it. Classic brain. And here's the kicker: the MMC cleaning cycle we just talked about, that also triggers ghrelin release, which means your body is literally using the cleaning process to make you feel hungry. Your gut is manipulating you into eating so it has something to clean. It planned this. Right, practical stuff. Can you stop your stomach growling at the worst possible moment? Sort of. Water helps. A small glass of water can dampen the sound temporarily because liquid gives the peristaltic contractions something to push against that's quieter than air. Eating small regular meals reduces the gap between MMC cycles. Less empty gut, less industrial cleaning noise, and slow, deliberate eating means you swallow less air, which is one of the main things making the noise in the first place. But honestly, sometimes your stomach is just going to roar like a foghorn in a silent room. And now at least you know that's just your body doing its job, loudly, publicly, without asking permission. So, borborygmi, the noise is peristalsis, the cleaning cycle is the MMC, the hunger signal is ghrelin, and your body has been running this entire operation every 90 minutes, without fail, your entire life. Next time it happens, you don't have to be embarrassed. You can just say, "Sorry, MMC cycle." Nobody will know what that means, but you will.